In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to create a meeting inside Zoho CRM. It's quick and simple to do. First, log into Zoho CRM as you normally would. From the top menu, click on Meetings. Next, click Create Meeting in the top right corner. A form will appear where you can enter the meeting details. Start by adding a title for your meeting. You can also add a location or mark it as an online meeting. You can set it as an all-day meeting or choose the start and end time. By default, you'll be the host, but you can also assign another team member. Under Related to, link the meeting to an account, lead, or contact. Now, add participants. You can select members from your team, choose from your contacts, or invite participants by email address. Below, you can set participant reminders. For example, 5 minutes before the meeting. You can also add a description, set the meeting to repeat daily, weekly, or on custom intervals, and configure multiple reminders. By default, the system sends one reminder 15 minutes before the meeting, but you can add a second one if needed. Once all the details are filled in, simply click Save and then Create. And that's it. Your meeting has now been scheduled in Zoho CRM. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.
Have an idea or vision in mind? Share it with us, and we'll help turn it into a clear workflow with actionable next steps. DM us or comment below to get started. We will provide this in 1 hour.